Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope you had a wonderful celebration. Alright, so welcome back to my channel, Noble Visions. So this video is specifically about a particular website that can, enable you to build apps and then you sell those apps. Alright, it can enable you to build apps for free and then you can sell these apps on its platform or on Google Play or Apple Store, any of these markets. All right, so it's typically free. You can create an account with them. You don't need to have a coding experience. You just basically their drag and drop the components of these apps, and then you are good to go. You create it, and then you start selling on all these platforms: Google Play, Apple, and even the platform that the this particular website provides for you as well. So welcome to this channel, and if this is your first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel. I try to bring you videos about ways that you could possibly make money online, and videos about tech hacks and digital opportunities and all whatnot. So welcome on board, guys. And specifically, this video is targeted to Nigerians because it's like Nigerians are actually there are a lot of Nigerians who are not really um, making the most of the internet, by by doing. Um, so what I mean by this is a lot of Nigerians don't actually leverage the internet and make money off of it. So some people are like, oh, before I start making money on the internet, I have to know how to write content, be a content writer, be a software engineer or all those kinds of things. But the truth is, you don't need to have all these concrete skills before you start making this money. You can start from the very beginning where you don't require much at all to start. All right, so that's the reason for this website that I'm going to show you. It can, I'll just be reviewing it, but it's super simple. People are actually making money off of it already. People who have no coding skill, all they just they sign up and they're able to create um, different kinds of apps, on the platform. So straight, we'll just go into this app, into this website, which is the Mob Incube website. All right, so just type it on your Google, and then it will bring you to their website. So as you can see here, the website is very easy to use. They've pretty much stated everything on their homepage. All right, it helps you create your app for free, no coding experience required. All right, so this is what this app actually offers you, and it's really massive. So you see this animation here, it's just basically what the website can help you achieve. You just basically drag and drop um components, and then in 5 minutes you're ready to go. You've set up your app and you can start selling. So what's also very let's just go through it, and then you can see here that we already have like people making over $2 million, users who have made app on the website and also sold app as well. So we've seen that if all the users have been able to publish 132,000 plus apps. All right, and then downloads currently still going on like in real time. As you can see, it's still counting. So we've seen like 171 million downloads. So it's a massive website that people are actually you know making money off of it every single day that goes by. So you can just see here the first basic steps that you can follow through to start you know building your own apps in minutes, in 5 minutes. That's what it could typically take you to build the app. I think there's the place is stated it here. Okay, not this side. So four basic steps that you need to um, go through before you before you start using this site, just to sign up, which is, basic. You sign up the basic info, your email, your name, and all those stuff, and then you confirm your email, and then you create, using their software. Same on this platform, this website. You build, and then you publish. All right, you could publish on their Incube um, marketplace, which is like Google Play Store, and like Apple Store, where they sell, and they actually, and exhibit their apps there, and audience people can actually come and use your app and then watch ads and then generate income. So all those kinds of things. Then okay, there's a social proof here, two social proofs. So we're just going to look at this, the two of them. This one is actually earning by teaching, and this guy here, Jose Raul, is earning using the app, using the website to create apps. All right, so say I'm earning more than 3,000 euros per month with Mob Incube apps. All right, so um, this is basically okay. Let's just see if we could um check a little bit about his story. Okay, all right. So this is his story. I clicked on it. It's creating more than 100 apps with Mob Incube to earn money. So Jose has actually created more than 100 apps. You can see that it's relatively easy. Like if you're able to, if this guy, like, he has no tech skill, no coding skill. Okay, look at this profile. I say found out about Mobbing Cube by chance. An idea occurred to some of my friends. An idea that would allow their work schedule to fit into a simple and trouble-free application easier. So I mean, like, he doesn't have any tech skill, no tech skill, no coding skill, no nothing. So, but he found out this app and he's able to start, capitalizing on the opportunity. And he's made more than 100 apps, mobile apps, and sold them on different platforms. And he's been able to generate, and he's still generating 3,000 um, euros every single month uh, from the ads. The ads, um, uh, what's it called? Percentage royalty that he's getting. All right. So I think these are some of the apps that he's been able to create. So typically, you can create all kinds of app. All right. Gaming app. Okay, let's take a tour. This one is a tour section. So with all the kinds of things that you could create with this website. All right. You can create entertainment, gaming app, educational app, health app, all kinds of app. All of them you can easily create it with this website by dragging and dropping the component on your app. All right, so it's super simple, super easy. Also, if you're really, it wouldn't cost you anything. When I was starting the video, I said that it was strictly for Nigerians. So I would want, like, it's really massive. If you're watching this video right now and you're having a skill is a problem, like you've always had difficulty with these kinds of things because you think, hey, I don't have a skill and all of that. My brother, you can leverage on this because all this can cost you is just your data. You can just use your data and then you follow them on YouTube. You can see on this YouTube here, they have so many. They have a lot of videos.
Meet Jason.
They have a lot of videos. Sorry, that was a mistake. So they have a lot of how-to videos that they've actually created for the purpose of those who would be interested in learning, like to clarify all kinds of questions that you might have. A lot of webinars and all of that. On their YouTube, so you can follow them. They watch all the videos that you need to. But it's not complicated at all. It's just basic drag and drop. No coding, no writing of programming languages and of any sort. All right. So if you want to start earning with them, you can be making a lot of money from it. Really, I wrote in my thumbnail that you can make as much as 150,000 naira a day. That's even an understatement because I mean when you're being paid in dollars, when you make this happen like 5 minutes you make this app, and you're able to make a lot of app, maybe like utility apps that can help people solve problems, not necessarily game apps. Utility apps like maybe how to help people manage time or like exercise routine, all those kinds of things. And then you put these apps in different Google Play Store, this Mob Incube store as well, Apple Store. Before you know it, people will start buying. And all these things are you can just it's for free. You can sign up here for free, as you can see. Click on the sign up for free or make money with us, and then you sign up for free, and then you start the process so you can start earning for yourself. All right, guys, that's the video. I hope this was very helpful and it was informative as well for you. Thanks for watching.